What exactly transpired during Iran's unprecedented unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) and missile attack on Israel? In an unsettling development, Iran launched a direct assault on Israeli territory, marking the first instance of such a direct offensive. A barrage of drones and missiles were dispatched, only to be intercepted mid-air by Israel and its allies. Participation in this conflict was not limited to these two nations. A total of 9 countries found themselves embroiled in this tense situation. Iran, Iraq, Syria, and Yemen sent drones and missiles towards Israel, which were countered by not only Israel but also the United States, the United Kingdom, France, and Jordan. According to reports from the Israeli Defense Forces, over 300 drones and missiles were sent by Iran. However, none of these aerial threats managed to penetrate Israeli airspace. The United States and the United Kingdom confirmed the destruction of Iranian drones, while Lebanon's Hezbollah claimed rocket attacks on the Golan Heights, increasing the complexity of this multifaceted conflict. This conflict saw the deployment of advanced defense systems and elicited a range of diplomatic responses. It also carried with it the ominous threat of escalation from both Iran and Israel, creating a tense atmosphere in the region and beyond. The role of Iran-backed militias, referred to as the Axis of Resistance, is also noteworthy. These militias pose a threat to over 3,000 American troops stationed in Iraq and Syria. The Biden administration finds itself in a precarious situation, balancing between responding forcefully without igniting a broader conflict and appearing weak in an election year. In the midst of these escalating attacks, the United States has responded by targeting militia locations, with a clear intent to avoid direct confrontation with Iran. Over in Yemen, attacks on commercial vessels by the Houthi have led to U.S. and British airstrikes. The goal remains to degrade militia capabilities without further escalating tensions. As the situation unfolds, the Biden administration continues to express support for Israel against Hamas, while simultaneously striving to deter Iran and its allies from undermining Israel's efforts. However, with American troops stationed in Iraq and Syria, and no immediate plans for withdrawal, there is an inherent risk of the United States being drawn into a prolonged conflict in the Middle East. In conclusion, Iran's direct attack on Israel involving numerous drones and missiles was a significant escalation in the region's tense relations. The involvement of multiple countries, advanced defense systems, and the potential for further escalation make this a critical event to monitor. The situation poses a considerable challenge to the Biden administration, as it walks a tightrope of maintaining regional stability while ensuring the safety of its troops stationed overseas.